Hello, my name is Brad Sellers from aPlus Attendance. I'm going to take you through a very short video showing the new Zoom integration with the Canvas aPlus Attendance LTI. And the purpose of this integration was to make it very quick and very easy to pull in attendance from your Zoom sessions, something which is very helpful given the recent pivot to online delivery. Another feature is you can elect to have Zoom mark its own unique attendance status, and this may be helpful if you return with hybrid classes in the fall where some students are on campus and other students are online. It means that you can identify who was there and who wasn't, which is helpful when trying to do any sort of contact tracing or any other kind of reporting around that. The way that the Zoom integration works is that you click on the session. You will have a pre-set up Zoom button here. We work with your system administrators to get that set up and configured. You can select that Zoom button. You will see a list of sessions that occurred in the previous 24 hours by default. Can be longer, can be shorter. This does not need to match tightly with the time of the session in aPlus. So a Zoom session could happen on a Tuesday and the scheduled session in aPlus could be on a Wednesday. It's up to the instructor to go find the correct one. This is because we know there is a lot of flexibility at the moment with teaching and scheduling. You can go ahead and select the session that you want to pull attendance from. The system will go ahead and try and match the students from the Zoom session to the students inside of our system. And it tries first by using the primary email address, and then the secondary attempt is using the student's email. If a student logs in multiple times or if anyone can't be matched, those will be listed here. You can see these two students here with a very short time frame. The Zoom API also sends us students when they're in the waiting room before a session is started, so you will frequently see those students duplicated in here and ignored. You can then go ahead with one click and say record as attended. That'll record the matched participants as attended into the session. Close this window and you'll see that this is populated. A few notes here: we populate the in time and out time with the arrival and departure time into the Zoom session, and we also populate a comment on the right. This is not necessarily intended to affect any attendance calculations. It's more designed to give the instructor a quick way just to roll through this list and eyeball this information to make sure that the students were there for a reasonable amount of time. If they see anything which looks strange, they could go back into the Zoom window and check and see, did a student log in 5 times? Were they there for 5 minutes once, 10 minutes the second time, and so forth. You can also go ahead and use the other attendance collection options to mark students as attended, either scanning, self-registration codes, manual attendance. You can still use full blanks and then mark your exceptions. And again, one of the great features here is that this allows your central admin people to know who attended virtually and who attended on site. Select save, and that is your attendance recorded. Thank you very much for your time. If you would like this deployed to your system, please just let us know and we will work with your system administrators to get this set up and installed. Thank you.